Have you ever been in the middle of an exciting remote control race or flight, only for your vehicle to suddenly lose its zip, or worse, stop altogether? It can be really frustrating when your favorite RC toy suddenly loses power, leaving you wondering what went wrong. Checking for RC motor power issues starts with a systematic approach, focusing first on the power source and then on the motor and its associated components. The key is to eliminate the most common and easiest problems first before digging deeper. The primary reason an RC motor might experience power issues is often related to the electrical system, whether it is the battery providing insufficient energy, loose or corroded connections interrupting the flow, or the motor itself becoming overheated or mechanically bound. Understanding this chain of command, from battery to speed controller to motor, helps pinpoint where the trouble might be originating. First, always check your battery. Ensure it is fully charged and in good condition. A weak or faulty battery is a very common culprit for power loss. Next, carefully inspect all wiring and connectors between the battery, the electronic speed controller, also known as the ESC, and the motor. Look for any loose connections, frayed wires, or signs of corrosion, as these can easily restrict power flow. Then, physically examine the motor itself. Spin the motor shaft by hand to check for any binding or resistance, which might indicate debris or worn bearings. Listen for any unusual grinding or squealing noises. Also, pay attention to heat. An excessively hot motor or ESC after a short run could signal an issue. A distinct burning smell is a strong indicator of an overheated or failing component. Checking for binding is crucial because a motor that struggles to spin freely will draw too much current and lose power. Finally, remember that regular checks and good maintenance practices are your best friends in preventing unexpected power loss. By methodically checking your battery, connections, and motor components, you can confidently diagnose and often resolve power issues, ensuring your remote control adventures are always exciting and smooth.